is the NeoPixel stick 8x5050 WWA white LEDs with integrated driver. You and I know it as a white amber NeoPixel stick. Cool white, warm white, and amber. Here is the cool LEDs on there. So I'd light that up. We'll get a nice cool, almost slightly bluish light. So we've lit up the cool white LEDs. We go to warm, so you can see we've switched the lighting there. This is the amber diode. So when I hit that, you can see really, really orangey, ambery amber. So there we go. So you can see this is really nice for dialing in a color temperature. I'm just doing it by eye. I don't have a meter or anything on here, but if I want to get that skin tone, let's say similar to my own skin tone, it is the cool white, warm white, amber NeoPixel stick.